Hello everyone, welcome to RoboArmy, where learning robotics and coding becomes fun and exciting. In this playlist, we are going to explore robots, electronics and coding step by step in a very simple way. Today, we are starting with first module, Introduction to Robotics and Electricity. Let's begin. First, let's understand something very important. What is robotics? Robotics is a branch of science and technology where we design, build and use robots. Now, robots are special machines. They can sense their surroundings, think using programs, and act to do work. Just like humans use their brain and body, robots also have their own brain and body parts. Now, the big question, what exactly is a robot? A robot is a machine that can perform tasks automatically. Some robots are controlled by humans, and some robots can work all by themselves. Now, robots help humans to do work faster, safer, and more accurately. Every robot has four main powers. First, sensors. Sensors help robots see, hear, or feel. They're like our eyes, ears, and skin. Second, controller. This is the brain of the robot, like an Arduino or computer. Third, actuators. These are the parts that move, like motors, wheels, or arms. And finally, power source. Without power, no robot can work. Robots are not only in movies, they are all around us. At home, robots clean our floors. In hospitals, robots help doctors. In factories, robots build cars. In space, robots explore planets. And in school, robots help us to learn. Now, did you know we already use robots every day? Like ATM machines work automatically, elevators use sensors, automatic doors open by themselves, even chatbots like me are robots. Robots don't always look like humans. Let's think together. What makes a robot smart? Can humans or animals be robots? If you could build a robot, what work would you give it? Now let's talk about electricity. Electricity is the energy that makes things work. It flows through wires just like water flows in a pipe. Light glows, motors spin, and robots move because of this electricity. Electricity needs a path to flow, and this path is called a circuit. A circuit needs battery, wire, load like LED or motor. Now remember this rule. Electricity flows only in a closed circuit. Electricity cannot pass through everything. Materials that allows electricity are called conductors, like copper. Materials that stop electricity are called insulator, like plastic. That's why wires have plastic covering. Let's make our first circuit. Connect the battery to the LED using wires. If the circuit is closed, the LED will glow. If not, it would work. This is how robots get power. Let's quickly revise. So, robots are machines that work automatically. Robots need electricity and circuit. Electricity flows only in closed loop, and safety always comes first. Remember that. Now, imagine you own robot, draw it, and level its part. See you in the next module. RoboArmy engineers, if you enjoyed this lesson, like the video, subscribe to RoboArmy, and keep learning robotics with us.
RoboArmy, one-stop global community for teens in robotics and AI.